Lights on, camera in my face, another video, feeling the pace. Click that record, let the story begin. From gaming nights to a weekend vlog scan. I got dreams in 4K, edit so smooth. Uploading mobiles, finding my groove. One click away from the whole world's view. Every like and sub, I'm thanking you. I love YouTube, it's my world, my stage. Every frame is fire, every word a page. From tutorials to tunes, I found my crew. Millions of stories and all of them true. I laugh, I learn, I chase what's new. And every day I say I love YouTube. Reacting to trends or unboxing the thrill. Behind the scenes or cinematic still. From cooking hacks to beats I drop, YouTube's the place where I never stop. From comments that cheer to edits I fight, I'm building a world with every bite. I love YouTube, it's my vibe, my light. Streaming my soul every day and night. From pranks to peace, it's all so true. This is my passion, I love YouTube. From comments that never the drain. Thumbnail ready, my life on stream. Shorts or long, I keep the flame. Chasing my story, building a name. Hear my song, my say, creating my path in a digital way. From every post to every view, this is my love, I love YouTube. YouTube.
Woke up with vision, layers in my mind. Canvas wide open, gotta realign. I got my style, it's my flow, and a million hues. Control Z when I'm feeling confused. In Photoshop, I fix the light. Smooth that skin, make it right. Clipped in masks and smart effects. This design's got no regrets. Design my life with illustrator lines. Pen tool curves and perfect signs. Brushstroke beats and color burst vibes. This is art where my soul collides. From pixels to print, I make it shine. In my world of Photoshop and Illustrator time. Golden ratio in every stroke. Typography's tight, no joke. RGB dreams and CMYKCs. I build my style with swatches and keys. Artboard flying shapes on spin. Anchor points like violin. Layers stack like harmony. This is more than just a melody.